I set out to search for nature, but results proved to be too vague. Google suggested I be more specific, so I listened. I now searched for a piece of nature. Trees. What I found was locations of fallen trees. This debris was reported, recorded and stored in an online database, one free for me to search. Large piles of branches or bushes may be picked up by the Department of Streets and Sanitation, reads the description. With a few simple commands, I now had directions to the closest trees. Head north on South Wells Street toward West 32nd Street. Turn left onto West 31st Street. Turn right onto South Union Avenue. Destination will be on the left. I scanned the area several times. I found no such items. The database was wrong. There were many trees. Many large, old trees. I analyzed these, looking for clues to see if there was any evidence of the fallen branches. I could not find any. Then I found the glitch. There must have been some sort of mistake. What I had been looking for was now in front of my house. The tree was in peril. More than half of the tree now lay on the ground. Cars had been warned about the potential of wreckage. Too bad such warning did not extend to the trees. The machine which caused the destruction sat not 30 feet away. A walk down the block showed that machines had done more damage, this time to a building. A large brick building had been completely destroyed by very similar machines. I was too late. Finally they returned. Those who had been operating the machinery which destroyed the tree came back. They disposed of the branch and attempted to manicure what was left of the tree. Now, several weeks later, the tree lives a normal life. Spring has arrived, and the tree's flowers have bloomed. And the scars remain.